And what I want you to note is that God allowed Daniel 2 years to keep this matter in his heart. God gave him a vision 2 years ago, and it floored him. It troubled him, and his countenance changed. And God didn't give Daniel more than he can handle, but yet God is going to give him this message again. He gives him 2 years to keep this thing in his heart, to cook on this thing in his heart. And here's the point. I'll illustrate it with a personal illustration in my life. In 2001, we completed our first construction of our first church, and it was the culmination of a 9-year period of time, and it was a great, huge relief, man. And here we had this. We moved into the church on what I call National Atheist Day, April 1st, 2001. The fool has said in his heart, there is no God. So, April 1st, we moved into our new sanctuary. And over the next several years, God blessed. We were about 1,000 people when we moved into the church. And then over the next 3 years, we tripled in size. And God's doing all this incredible stuff. And people are coming to Christ. And it was a sweet time to be in ministry. And I'm thinking back through all this. Every time we'd have an event, we'd have an Easter service, and everyone's there. And Brenda and I, with tears, were thinking back to when we had 4 people in our living room and all this stuff. And it was just so awesome. And then God whispered in my heart about 3 years later, around 2004-ish. God whispered in my heart and said, I want you to start another church. I want you to leave this one. And I was sick over it. I'm like, I go home, I talk to my wife, I'm like, you think God wants us to start a church? She's like, you're an idiot. No, And we didn't want to hear it. And yet I kept it in my heart because God had spoken to me, and he gave me a couple of years just to sit on this thing. And then, a couple of years later, it's time. And, I wonder how God's been speaking to you. Because he'll do that. He'll whisper something in your ear, and then he'll give you time to hold it and to keep that in your heart. And I wonder, maybe today it's that confirmation of, listen, that was God speaking to you. Or maybe it's, listen, God did speak to you, and I've given you time, and now it's your time, and you need to respond.